Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on automatic iOS updates on the iPhone or iPad. So whichever device you're on, either the iPhone or iPad, you first want to head into the settings. Once you're in the settings, you want to come down and then select General. Within General, you want to select Software Update, the second on the list just below About. Now here, it'll tell you if your iOS is up to date, but at the very top here, you'll see Automatic Update. You want to tab into that. And then at the top, Automatically Install. And you can select iOS Updates. You want to make sure it's tabbed on green like this. If it's grey like that, you want to make sure it's green. You can also Security Response and System Files, automatically update this, and automatically download iOS updates. You want to make sure this is tabbed green also. And underneath the Security Response and System Files, there's a little bit about that, and also the bottom one, iOS updates. So that's how to turn on automatic iOS updates on your iPhone or iPad. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.